Good morning, Kwara. Good morning, Nigeria. This is Moro Bridge in Asa, local government area of Kwara State. It was an inter-state and intra-local government road in Kwara. This bridge is unable to be more useful for people, especially the teachers that are going to their various schools in Asa local government. We have been here for more than 1 hour, seeing how people are moving from one place to another. People have seen how dangerous the bridge is. We are now using this medium to employ and persuade the necessary authority to come to our aid in Asa local government, where the life of our people will be more safe. Speaking with you is the comrade Bí Abuja Seri Re, the Asa branch NUT chairman, Kwara State. Please feel more. You can see, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. It's now become a trap of death. Let's see. Very terrible and wonderful. Hey, you buy it. Come. Come. Straight.